Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Melissa Muir. In today's video, I'm kind of excited because Mindful Souls reached out to me one more time and asked if I would do another unboxing. And of course I said yes. So this goes back into our tools for the soul and the mind. And so today we've got another box from Mindful Souls. I'm so excited when I get their boxes. Like I said before, it's an area that I'm kind of new to in getting into some of the energy work and really paying attention and being more intentional with a lot of my work, which you guys will start to see coming up here pretty quick. I have a whole new series of videos that I'm excited to share with you that's going to involve both jewelry as well as some of the energy and different crystals and things like that. So be sure to stay tuned. Now, if you guys remember also, they did provide me a coupon. So it's Melissa F50, and I'll include the link that you would need to follow down below, as well as that coupon code. So let's jump in and see what's inside of this box. I have not opened this box yet. The most I've done so far is just cut that open. So this is gonna be my first look at this box as well. So if we open it up, very first thing we have is our affirmation card. Now this one says, I let go of anxious thoughts and invite peace and harmony into my mind. That is so appropriate for today. I cannot even tell you. And then of course we've got our guide that talks about all of the elements that are included in this. So we'll look at this in just a second, and let's take a look here. Now they asked me, they wanted to put in a bonus thing for me, and they asked me what I would like, and this is what I chose. It's the Crystal Wisdom deck. I'm very excited about this because like I said before, I'm a little bit new to this, and so I have a lot to learn. And I know that this little deck here, if I can get this open real quick, this deck has all of the different crystals, and it talks about what is that crystal, what are the things, what does it use. So it'll have a picture of the crystal, and then like I said, it's got all the information. So for instance, Larimar is for balance, communication, serenity, when to use it, where to put it, special care, what elements it goes with, what chakras. So I'm really excited to look at some of this. So that's that Crystal Wisdom deck, and I'll let you guys know a little bit more about that once I get into it. There is a bundle of sage. Now let's see what it says about the bundle of sage here. So for the blue sage and lavender smudge stick, the intention is purification and calmness. The elements are air and earth, and the chakra goes with the third eye. It says a calm mind starts with a calm space, and the sacred art of smudging mixed with aromas of blue sage and lavender is a very effective way to achieve that. Try it out and watch your inner peace flourish. And then it also talks about how to use it. So in this case it says, light the smudge stick and gently waft it in areas where you feel most tired, anxious, or stressed, such as your workspace. Feel the sacred smoke infuse that space with pure and calming aura. Now, there's something to be said for aromatherapy. That's why people use smudging, they use Palo Santo, they also use different oils and things like that. So there's definitely something to be said for that. All right, so here we have a box. I have no idea what it is, but I'm excited. This one's kind of fun. Check that. So this is a clear quartz energy generator, which is used for amplification and clarity. It goes with all the different elements, the crown chakra. Now, sometimes our thoughts are so loud that we lose track of what truly matters. Crystal quartz helps you quiet the racing mind and reconnect with what's truly important in your life. Now, I don't know if you guys know anything about vibrations of crystals. There's a lot of science that's happening, especially now. It's kind of fun to look at all the different science and studies that are happening. But when you have different crystals, all of them have a vibration. All of them do. It just is part of what they are. And then we, as electromagnetic beings, we also have vibrations. So as you bring these different crystals with their vibrations into your field, that electromagnetic field that automatically happens from our heart, it affects things. Well, they've proven that crystal quartz amplifies or enhances the different vibrations that come off of other crystals. So when you put a number of them together and you put them with the crystal quartz, it amplifies all of that. It's science and it's kind of neat. So when you put this around you, sometimes that can also help with the feelings that you're feeling, especially when you're feeling like anxious or unsafe or unease. But when you bring these things in, then it kind of helps dissipate some of that. So I'm kind of excited to see what we do with this. So this says place it in a quiet, serene part of your home, ideally near a window so it charges with natural light. Use it during your meditations to enhance your focus and attract soothing energies. So that's kind of fun. Something to add into the meditation practices. All right, first little bag, here we go. I love their little packaging. So, ooh, this is fun. This is a bracelet, and I don't even have to look this one up. This is a rose quartz, and I happen to know that rose quartz also goes along with love. Let's see what it says in here about the bracelet. So the intention is self-love and harmony. The element is earth, and your chakra, of course, is your heart. Of course it would be. Inner peace begins with self-kindness. Each rose quartz bead is a beautiful reminder to love yourself just the way you are, nurturing your heart with the warmth that is essential to finding tranquility. That sounds good to me. How to use. Before heading out, wear it on your right wrist and take 3 deep breaths, focusing on self-love and acceptance. Make this a morning ritual, especially when you need emotional support. Now that's an important thing too, where it says it's self-love, because you can't love anything else or anyone else until you love yourself first. That's one of those things that I've really had to work on. So not only that, but it's also very pretty. All right, second bag. Ooh, this is a nice chunk. All right, so we have a nice big old crystal here. This is yellow Icelandic spar cube. It's for clarity and insight. The element is fire, and this goes with your solar plexus and your crown chakras. The first step to inner peace is understanding what's in the way. Is it a past conflict? Worries about the future? Whatever it may be, this cube's light gives you the mental clarity to reveal your truth. You're going to place it outside or near a window each morning to absorb the sun's energy. Throughout the day, hold it briefly during moments of stress, allowing its energy to clear and soothe your mind. We all need soothing and clearing of my mind. I definitely know that. So that one's kind of fun. That's a nice big piece too. So one of the things I'm really enjoying about these boxes is the quality of the materials that they're putting in here. As a jeweler, quality is a big thing for me. And so when I very first looked at the boxes, kind of heard about them, I was like, well, you know, a lot of times the subscription boxes, they're a little lower quality, but I have not found that to be the case with these. These have been very well intentionally curated, and then they've been curated with really quality materials. So next little bag, let's see what we got on this one. Oh, that's fun. So we have a necklace here. Hold on while I get it all straightened out. Oh, I love that. So it's a circle with a triangle, and it has an apatite inside. Apatite is one of my favorite stones. Super hard to set though. You look at them wrong and they break. But I love apatite. So this is a raw apatite circle triangle necklace. It's for inspiration and guidance. Air and water are the elements, and the chakra is your throat chakra. Nothing feels more peaceful than embracing the present moment. Inspired by the geometrical balance of the circle and triangle, this necklace reminds you to embrace today instead of worrying about tomorrow. Wear it when you feel most anxious about the future. On those days, reach out to the pendant and let it remind you that the present is all that truly exists. So that's kind of a cool piece. I really like that one. All right, we've got one last item in our box. This one feels like a stone, and it is. This is a moss agate. He's a good sized stone too. Pretty coloring as well. So moss agate is for stability and grounding. The element is earth, especially if we're talking grounding. Your chakra is the root chakra, which makes sense there as well. No matter what happens, nature always finds a way to overcome it. Holding this moss agate gives you the natural strength so you can feel calm and grounded and present or in the present moment, even in challenging times. I think there's a theme with this box telling me that I can get through a bunch of stuff, which is very appropriate in its timing. So carry it to use as an anchor and anchor your day with stability. When the need arises, pause for a moment, hold the stone in your right hand, take 3 deep breaths to center your mind and harmony and peace. This is a pretty well curated box once again. I'm really enjoying it. Now, another thing that they do here is that they give you kind of a ritual that you can go through. So if you wanted to use all of these different elements, it gives you kind of step-by-step things like that in there. The other thing that they do that I kind of like is a mindful challenge. So 30 days of harmony is this month's theme on this. So week 1, 2, 3, 4, and they give you some different challenges that you can go through and mark off on that. You guys, like I said, I've been pretty impressed with Mindful Souls and the way that they've curated these boxes. I've been very impressed with the quality of them, and the way that everything is packaged is so cute. Oh, we forgot one of the best parts, the sticker. You always get a sticker too, so that's kind of fun too. This is a bear in a yoga position, well, a meditation position. It says feel the world. So if you guys want to check out one of these boxes for yourself, 50% off with Melissa F50.